it's another means of business.
So what is a commodity?
Of course, it is a commodity. You dying, them exterminating you. It is a commodity, definitely. Somebody's getting paid. From the bullets that are made, the guns that are made, the trucks, the weapons they feed, destabilizing you, all that. All right. And whilst they are doing that...
And the media platforms as well. That's
absolutely.
where they cash in, yeah.
Whilst they are doing that, they're busy extracting minerals. I can give you many examples that they've just done it in Syria right now, right? From 2011, when the Russians went in and the Americans are there, they've been extracting. The Americans have been extracting even right now. America is illegally occupying strategic areas in in Syria and also in Africa. Just recently, they went and bombed Somalia. What gives them the right? So this is what is happening. It's really, 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 yes, it can, to a simple mind, it can work out as if it's a Tutsi Hutu thing or a Kagame thing against Tshisekedi thing.
Yeah.
No, it's really about the minerals and controlling Africa and not allowing Africa to stand up and for Africa to be like China, for Africa to be like Russia, to be like America. So it's really about minerals. And some of our leaders, because they are compromised, because they sold their souls to the devil, they're easily controlled. They cannot even become Thomas Sankaras. They cannot even become Ibrahim Traore's because they are so compromised because they've got so much on them. There is nothing they can do. It's about minerals.
Yeah.
Africa must know that.
I wanted you to take me through your views